Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to upload or change your Facebook cover photo step by step. Whether you're setting one up for the first time or just want a fresh new look, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to do. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal profile. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture or your name to go straight to your profile page. Now take a look at the top section of your profile where your cover photo usually appears. If you don't have one yet, you'll see a blank area there. Tap on this cover photo area to begin updating it. Once you tap, a small menu will appear on your screen. From that menu, select the option that says Upload Photo. This is where you can choose a photo from your phone's gallery or camera roll. Browse through your photos and pick the one you want to use as your new cover image. After choosing your photo, Facebook will show you a preview of how it looks. You can now adjust and position it exactly the way you like. Drag the photo up, down, or side to side until the main part of your image fits nicely within the frame. Take a moment to make sure it looks centered and balanced. When you're happy with the preview, simply tap Save. Facebook will take a few seconds to upload your cover photo, and once it's done, you'll see your new image displayed at the top of your profile. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your Facebook cover photo using just a few simple steps. It's an easy way to personalize your profile, showcase a favorite memory, or make your page look more inviting. Thanks for watching.